When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. 'Cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything.
Hey guys, welcome to My Life as Amira. Today's video is going to be video ideas that'll make your channel go viral. These are video ideas that are popular that I see usually that get a lot of views. Who doesn't want their channel to go viral? I mean, like, number one is a get ready with me. So just show yourself getting ready, whether if it's for a party, whether if it's for school, whether if it's for like just nothing. Just show yourself getting ready. Vlogmas, so you could do Vlogmas, Vlogtober, stuff like that. You just record all the days leading up to a certain holiday. A Christmas wish list could also be used as a teen gift guide or just a regular gift guide in general. What I got for Christmas, you could show other people what you got for Christmas, like, you know, just showing all your stuff. Number 5 is an unpopular opinion, so you could just share your opinions, your beliefs, and then, you know. A Dollar Tree makeup haul. You go to the Dollar Tree, you find some stuff, you do a haul, put it on your face, do stuff like that. Clothing try-on hauls. No one likes to watch regular clothing hauls because they're so boring. Just people sitting there showing things that they got. Like, look at this top. Like, no, put the top on, model it, do some stuff like that. And some store ideas for that video is Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, Forever 21, Shein, Zolful. Remember Zolful, y'all? Facts about me, story times, back to school supplies haul, what's in my school emergency kit, what's in my book bag, what's in my purse, a day in the life, how to get your crush to like you, where's hairstylists in your city. So like basically you go to someone that has like 0 stars and you let them do your hair, your nails, something. Doing your makeup bad to get reactions, so you just purposely do trash makeup just to see what people would say. How to stay organized. Room tours. Basically find a room and do a tour of it. Binge-worthy Netflix and Hulu shows. So you just put together a list of shows on Netflix and Hulu or either or, and you kind of just do the ones that are more worthy for laughs or more binge-worthy. The next one is a tech unboxing. You can do your iPhone unboxing, your MacBook unboxing, your iPad unboxing, Apple Watch unboxing, just an unboxing of technology. What's on my iPhone, what's on my MacBook, natural hair tutorials, and someone other than you doing your voiceover. So you could do your makeup and then have like your cousin, your dad, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, sister, mom, somebody do your voiceover, because I bet you it'll be like 5 times more funnier if someone else does your voiceover other than you. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope that y'all really liked today's video, and be sure to give today's video a like, be sure to comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Mwah.